What's up, guys? MJ coming at you. It's a new year with a new product, the latest, the greatest Zenbook Asus, and this one is the one, guys, that you should have if you are actually on the road, if you're traveling. When it comes to productivity, like multimedia, user friendly. This is the notebook that should satisfy your needs. And the reason that I'm saying that is because I bought it. Okay, I didn't get it from anyone else. I bought this thing. I had the previous one. The previous one was the Asus Zenbook. It was an Core i5 400 series. It was back in 2014. And it's over now. It's time to upgrade and get myself a new notebook. So let's open up this little thing. In search of incredible. It's really nice. So what we have here is take out this thing over here. So obviously this is a laptop over here. Let me just take some things out. I'm just put the laptop over here. We have, guys, the charging. This is the charger, guys. Let's take a quick look at the status of the charger and see what it is. So the P20 Pro is gonna focus. There you go, P20. Thank you. So it is 100 volts, just 19 volts, 3.4.42 amps, and yeah, that's this. It's very compact. It's easy to handle, carry on in any place. That's the beauty of the Asus production. Really good at providing you with a compact, easy to handle stuff. We have this cloth if you want to I think it's a cloth, yeah. So you want to clean the screen, make it looks nice. Some booklets, instructions, etc. So we have all this stuff. What else? Nothing else we have here. And let's see, do we have something here? No. Yeah, that's where we have this adapter. It's the Ethernet adapter, USB A, so USB 3.0. Also, it comes with guess what? This case, this beautiful, nice case. It's kind of leather. And it's very nice if you want to carry it, and if you want to have like books, other stuff, if you're a student, it's really nice and comfy to carry on this thing. And you can put the laptop inside it, which is I'm gonna just demonstrate soon. And yeah, that's right. It's a very nice quality production here. So let's take a look at the laptop itself. Okay. There you go, guys. That's the Asus Zenbook. Beautiful. Look at this design. Reflective. It has this blue and gold mixture. It's like royal blue, they call it. So really beautiful. Let's take out the box over here. Get out of here, man. Get out of here, box. It's time to see what's inside the box. So there you go, guys. That's the Asus. And let's take a look at the IOs before I open up this thing. So when it comes to the IOs, we have a USB type C over here, no Thunderbolts. We have a USB 3.1, HDMI, and the charging outlet. The back, we don't have anything. We have the vents from here. And by the way, this have only one fan. So one fan, and let's take a look. This is a micro SIM card. If you're having like from your phones. As you can see here, micro SD card. We have USB A and headphone microphone combo, and some lights over here. So that's it. That's about it, guys. And we have the speakers on the back. These are really good speaker. Why? Because it's made by Harman Kardon, guys. This is one of the best on the market. There you go. Yeah, baby. There you go. So let's take a quick look at the spec over here. This is what they are advertising. It has a 3D IR camera for fast face login. It also works at nighttime. It has frameless nano edge, very, very thin edge. I agree with that. 92% screen to body ratio. That's crazy. Smallest ever design, 14-inch display in a 13-inch chassis. Really good. You have ultra fast PCIe SSD, which is 3 times faster than SATA SSD. So really crazy fast SSD for transfer file and opening softwares as well. Military grade quality. This is the standard G800G for military grades, shock absorption, heat, extreme cold, so all that stuff. We have quiet fan cooling, which is really quiet, really nice. Keep it low on noise. But there you go. That the Harman Kardon, really great speakers. It has the Core i7 800, I think, yeah. I think the Coffee Lake, it's called Coffee Lake, yeah. i7 Coffee Lake. So the latest, the greatest CPU you can have. Also, it's with the NVIDIA MX 150. So really, really you get the best of the best in the smallest chassis that you can have. No, this is not a cheap laptop. Excuse me. This is a very, this is kind of mid-range to expensive, not too expensive, not like the XPX 13 or the XPX. It's around that XPX, but it's not to the up to, because I bought this laptop when there was before the end of the year. There was some promotions, so I was lucky to get this beauty in a good price. There you go. That's the guys, that unboxing of the Zenbook 433F, and I'm really excited to see and check how this really laptop doing well, and also to how to is benchmarked against other laptop that I have. I'm gonna get actually the Omen 15, which is a gaming laptop. It's with my cousin. He bought that, so I'm gonna compare this laptop with my old Zenbook from 2014 and the Omen 15. So we have 3 notebooks that will be benchmarked against each other. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you, guys. Oh, by the way, before I go, I forgot to show you this. That's the case, because they advertise this, that it's too thin and small. It's as small as a A4 paper. So yeah, that's the how small it is. If you actually can get it, if we have, I don't have an A4 paper, but it is as small as an A4 paper. There you go. Just put it in, close it, and then you have yourself a nice light laptop with you. Very good, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.